Hi, everyone, are you looking for a video editing software with no watermark, completely free and professional? Then this video might help you. In this software, we can add unlimited layers for watermarks, background videos, and audio tracks. We can even add 3D text, motion tracking to our videos. This software is available for Windows, iOS, and as well as Linux. This software is good for adding visual effects, motion graphics, and color correction to our videos. This software is available in Windows, iOS, and as well as Linux. In this software, there is a voiceover recorder option where you can add commentary to your videos. It has mask editing tool which we can be used to apply functions and filters to a particular area of your footage. We can even add 3D text to the video. It is available for Windows and iOS. This software is easy to use, and it even supports 4K video editing. There are useful audio filters for editing our video. Shotcut software is available on Windows and iOS operating system. Blender software is a highly professional video editing software. In Blender we can make 3D animations. It has a Python console for advanced video editing. Blender is available in all 3 operating systems. Rather than these softwares, there are another 2 softwares, Windows Movie Maker for Windows and iMovie for iOS operating system. Hope this video might help you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos.